Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyar Kolando and I am your favorite Kenyan YouTuber. In today's video, I'm going to be stretching out my hair using the African threading method. It's an heatless method of stretching out the natural hair. So I hope you do enjoy everything. If you haven't subscribed or if you're new here, kindly make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any notification whenever I upload a new video. Also make sure you like this video and do leave a comment in the comment section. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. So this is right after my wash day. My hair is still in its wet form, so you can see it's shrinking already, but I've sectioned it into twists which I'm putting away. Then I'll just work with one section of hair. So this is it, and what I'm going to do first is, just because I've already moisturized it and everything, I've sealed in the moisture, so I'm just going to finger detangle a little bit to remove the knots. And yeah, I'll just do this before I go in with my wide tooth comb. And guys, remember, wide tooth comb, and you must be gentle, because also when the hair is in its wet form, it tends to be so delicate, so we have to be so gentle so as to avoid any breakage or limit the breakage that we can get. So yeah, I'll just do this, then go in with my wide tooth comb and also thoroughly detangle my hair. After all is detangled, I'm going to go in, take my Uzi, also known as yarn, and just wrap around my hair. And I'll make sure I had already pre-cut the Uzi, so I'm just going to wrap it around, and this kind of makes the work easier. So as I wrap around, I'm also going to make sure that I don't leave spaces in between my hair, because I want to stretch out to get the maximum amount of stretch that I can get from this. So I'm not going to leave any spaces in between, and also I don't want my hair to have the curls after I have stretched it. So that's why I'm just going to pack the Uzi very closely and tightly as I can get them to be. And again, one thing that is so very important is when you are working on the roots, make sure when you are sectioning or when you are beginning your African thread, you don't cause so much tension at the roots, or you don't put it so tightly at the roots, because we want to also make sure that the hair at the roots are well taken care of, and you don't want to cause so much pressure which will cause breakage. And again, this is also at the hairline. We also want to protect the hairline, so make sure you just put it a little bit looser at the edges so you don't lose your hairline. As I continue threading, you can also see that I am detangling my hair. You can use your fingers or you can use a wide tooth comb, whichever serves you, but make sure the hair is thoroughly detangled, because after it is stretched, you don't want to have all these knots and tangles in there. So just make sure you go in and properly or thoroughly detangle all the knots out. If you're still watching to this point, please make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any notification whenever I upload the video. And guys, also make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this style of stretching the hair out. Also, please do like this video so that it may reach out to many other people out there.
Sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have.
So once I'm at the very end of my hair, I'm going to roll up the Uzi. I'm going to roll up the Uzi back from where I had begun towards the roots. Then that's it. And I'm also going to, because I also want to protect the ends of my hair, right, or the tips of my hair, I'm going to twirl it around, as you can see me doing here. I'm just going to twirl it, then I'm going to also roll it back up, as you can see. I don't really know how to explain it, but I hope you can see the whole process, guys. Kindly make sure you are keen and just do whatever it is that will protect your edges, right, because we want to also maintain the hair that we have, and we also want to see a lot of growth in our hairs, right? So this is what I'm just going to do. I'll just repeat the whole process, guys, from detangling, going in with my wide tooth comb and everything. Then I'm just going to roll my Uzi on the hair, on the section of hair, and I'm not going to hold the hair tight at the roots, because again, for the reasons that I have already told you, we want to avoid the breakage, and we also want to get the maximum amount of stretch that we can. So I'm going to be so gentle at the roots, and I'll just continue the whole process throughout the whole head of hair. And up to this point, guys, I hope you are enjoying. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, because it helps the channel in growing, and it also helps spread it also helps spread this information to many other people out there. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Kindly like this video and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know, how do you stretch your hair? Do you use heatless methods, or do you use heat to stretch out your hair? Continue watching, guys. I hope you enjoy all this. Apart from using this method to stretch my hair, something that I really love about this African hair threading is the fact that you can also wear it as a protective style, and it can be as beautiful as you can get. I've seen this trend all over the internet, where people just use this method as a protective style, and it comes out beautifully, guys. It's really beautiful, and I think that's one thing that I love about this, and it's so versatile in itself. So that's another thing that I do love about this. And kindly make sure, or just comment in the comment section, let me know if you have ever used this African threading method as a protective hairstyle, and how long it lasted, and what style you used. For the last section now, I'm just going to continue the whole process, guys, and this is so very easy, and I find that African threading method has a lot of benefits to the natural hair, guys. If you are a natural person, you know all the benefits of not using heat on your hair. And so this is what I have after all of that, and you can see for yourself how they look cute and everything. So this is now 2 days after my hair has really dried out, and I can already see the stretch that I have. Like my hair is so dry, that's all I can say. And so I'm just going to remove the Uzi from the hair, and you can see it's an easy process. It just comes out so easily. Then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of finger detangle again, and you can see my hair is kind of knotted a little bit, but not to worry about that. It's because it was in the yarn. Then I'm going to go ahead with my wide tooth comb, and again, guys, it's a wide tooth comb. I'm not using the small tooth comb. So that's it. Then yeah, this is it. So I'm just going to continue the whole process. Roll out the Uzi, finger detangle. After finger detangling, I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb. I'll just comb everything out to get the maximum amount of stretch. Then after that, I'll put the section away, go to the other section, and just continue this whole process in the whole head until I get all the oozes out.
I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to...
Something that I also realized while doing this is the amount of shading and breakage that I had, guys. So I would really recommend that even if you are going in with a wide tooth comb, you really have to be gentle to avoid all the breakage, because the hair is dry at this point, and you don't want to break off hair. It's as gentle as you can to minimize the breakage and retain the length of your hair. So finally, after all of that, this